Thanks for calling Service Reservations. This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. I'm Brooke, a virtual assistant who can understand complete sentences. Tell me, how can I help you today?
Representative.
To make sure I don't send you to the wrong place, please tell me, are you looking to check on the status of your vehicle or schedule a service appointment?
Schedule a service appointment.
Great. I can help you with that. Will this be your first appointment for service with us?
Yes.
Okay, I'll need to collect some information. Is the phone number you're calling from ending in 6346 the best way to reach you?
Yes.
Thanks. I'll use it to start your profile. Now, please say and then spell your first name.
Matthew. Matthew.
Got it. And what's the year, make, and model of your vehicle?
2017 Chevrolet Traverse.
And what's the approximate mileage?
45,431 miles.
And what's the reason for bringing it in?
Steering wheel wobbles.
Let me make sure I'm booking the appointment correctly. You're bringing your vehicle in for an issue with the steering wheel. Is that right?
Yes.
Great. Now, I just have a quick question about transportation I can offer you. Will you need to use our complimentary shuttle?
Not sure.
Okay. Our first available appointment is on Thursday, August 19th at 7 o'clock a.m. Feel free to take that one or just tell me when you'd like to bring it in.
Thursday, August 17th after 3:30 p.m.
Oh, that won't work. I don't have anything available prior to Thursday, August 19th at 7 o'clock a.m. Please give me a different day and time to check.
Thursday, August 19th, 4 p.m.
Okay, here's all I've got for Thursday, August 19th, around 4 o'clock p.m. I have a 2 p.m., 2:30, or 3. Which one works for you?
Thursday, 3 p.m.
You're all set for Thursday, August 19th at 3 p.m. How else can I help you?
That's all.
Thank you for calling Service Reservations.